So here we have a decorative rustic round metal clock. It's got this awesome rope trim design around the sides. You can put this in a living room, bedroom, wherever you want. We actually have it in a hallway right here, but you can see the design here with this rope. It's really cool. It has a real rope around the edges, has the little loops that will hold the rope as well. Very nice face, clock face with kind of a shiplap design in there. Has the numbers, and they're kind of a stressed or distressed white on there. Also have a hook up here that you could hang from the wall. You just need a bigger hook if you wanted to get a different style look to it. Otherwise, on the back you have your own hook right here that you can just use a nail or a screw. Also on the back you have your battery compartment, as well as being able to change the time and update your time. But very cool design. Let's hook this back up. It's easy to hang just like that, and has a very nice look to it. Great for a farmhouse style or nautical also at the same time. But that is a nice clock.